Hello, this is the last video directions for FACT for this year. This is going to be on Module D, the Summary of Teaching and Learning, and you'll find that this module is very fast. And it's just going to be an overview of everything that went on through the year. So you're going to review your inquiry, which is the Module C. You're going to be taking a look at your Module A with all of the information that you gathered on your students and your school site. And you're going to identify the teaching practices that had the greatest effect on your student learning and just reflect on the year as a whole. So there is only one form to complete for this, and that is going to be the D1, and you're going to do that in a reflective conversation with your support provider. Some students will complete it, or some teachers will complete it prior to meeting with their support provider, but a lot of the candidates like to do it with the support provider as kind of your final conversation for the year. And so here are all the written directions. You can feel free to read through these. So you're going to have that reflective conversation with your support provider, and then you're actually going to write down what you guys are reflecting on, and then finally you're going to share your insights actually in your portfolio. So it says determine the process and venue for sharing. That's your portfolio presentation. Okay, so choose from the questions below to guide a culminating conversation with your support provider. During the conversation, refer to evidence that demonstrates your growth as a professional educator. So kind of how did you do this year? What were your growth goals? How did you meet those growth goals? What were your students' needs? What did you learn about your students' needs? And then your different evidence. And then looking ahead, you're actually going to think about what next year would you like to focus on. So let's take a look at the actual form. So it's just 4 quick boxes. Each of these boxes will have probably 2 to 3 paragraphs kind of written out, and just that you reflected on with your support provider. You'll use this information to go directly into your portfolio that you'll be presenting in a synchronous session. So if you have any questions on this final module, let me know, but most candidates do complete this final module with their support provider, where they have the reflective conversation and then they write up all their reflections just in this form. All right, thank you very much. I hope that you have enjoyed the FACT process as you became a teacher researcher by identifying an area of need and completing your inquiry and reflecting with your support provider throughout. Thank you.